So, I am starting this vlog really late. It's literally been raining all day today. Like, it's so gloomy.
Yep. Andrew is very difficult.
So, I am starting this vlog really late. It is currently, let's see, 4:35ish. So today I am packing all my stuff. I need to have everything packed and stored away into the storage unit or at my brother's place by tonight, and then I will be driving back home to Maryland tomorrow morning. This morning I was ripping and running literally between different storage units because I was trying to figure out the best affordable storage unit that I can use for the next few months, because I don't really want to put all my things in my brother's apartment, because I'll be staying with him for a couple of months and I don't want to necessarily impede in his space. So I'm going to be having all my necessities with me, but in terms of like my other clothes that I don't use or wear often, or like extra random stuff that I have that I've accumulated in my unit, I'm just going to put it away in the unit for the time being. So I was dealing with that all morning, trying to figure out the right prices, the locations, because I didn't want it to be too far from where my brother stays. So once I was able to figure all that out, I had to go to my mechanic in Hollandale because I had to make sure that my brakes were okay. The background story behind that is yesterday I went to go get my oils checked, have my tires rotated, because we're obviously making a long drive from Miami to Maryland. So when I took my car, I normally take my car to the Honda dealership because, I don't know, I guess because it's a Honda dealership and my car is a Honda, I figured, they can take care of me best. So I took my car there, and all I wanted was for them to rotate my tires and get my oil changed. Come to find out, they came back and tell me, oh, we need to recommend you some, you need to get your air filters changed because they're so dirty, and also to get my breaker fluids flushed and this and that. Basically, all that came up to $444. I did not come that yesterday morning to spend $444. So I told them to just do what I came to get done, which was my tires and oils change and whatnot. And I'll worry about that another day because I obviously did not have the money for that. So later on last night, as I was moving my things into my car, all of a sudden, Eli said that he heard a little squeak on my brakes. So then that got me worried, and I'm just like, oh crap, what if I really do need to get my brakes changed or get the fluids flushed, this and that. So I started panicking, and then my brother told me to go take it to our mechanic up in Hollandale, see what he thinks, because we all trust him because he's worked with us many times. Basically, that's what I did today. I went to the storage unit, tried to get the best price that I could, and then I drove all the way up to Hollandale, showed my mechanic what the issue was, or what the issue that I was told, and he looked at me and was like, your car is practically still brand new, you do not need no fluid flush, nothing like that. I just needed his final say that I was perfectly fine. So needless to say, today was very busy, so my vlog is going to be starting practically during the evening. And this is just I'm basically just going to do like a post-grad diary kind of a thing. I want to start documenting that now. I'm currently packing. I have a lot to pack. I have my storage unit, however my storage unit is up above another unit, so I have like a locker kind of style. I'm going to show it to you guys when I get there, but the things that I have are very heavy, so I had to either wait for Jake or Eli to be free, and luckily I have access until 10 p.m. So with that being said, I think I'm just going to pack majority of the stuff that I can, and then we'll go from there. So yeah, I think we'll just start there, and then we'll see how the videos and how I record plays out, and hopefully this will be interesting. So let's get to it. So I just want to show you guys how my unit looks right now that it's in a complete disarray with boxes and stuff everywhere, compared to how my unit looked when it was all nice and clean. So yeah, so let me just show you guys around. As you guys can remember, all of my stuff has been packed. There's me. Closet, everything in my closet is gone, so that's pretty good. My mirror, which I need to pack away or probably put in my brother's apartment. Bathroom I still need to tackle because obviously I'm here for tonight is my last night here. Wow. So I still need to use the shower, obviously. Here are some of the boxes. My desk, chair, and the white shelf will be given to my brother. He actually wants that in his apartment, so that's not gonna be too much of a hassle. And obviously I still need to figure out what to do over here in terms of like my duvet and all that stuff. But yeah, this is how it looks. Little odds and ends. And yeah, just trash. And then probably that bag and this bag will need to go to Jake's place as well. So yeah, I'm getting there. It's just a lot more than, I still have a long way to go. So yeah, this is also a disclaimer that you guys will realize that I'm wearing the same sweater from my previous video, and the videos that I'm recording now are like a day apart, and obviously majority of my clothes are kind of packed away. So I just want to put a disclaimer there. Don't judge me. I've gotten some of my things packed away. I just need maybe one medium-sized bin, or maybe like those like recycling bags, so I can put all the little odds and ends into them, so that way I can put them away in the storage unit. So yeah, I think I'm gonna head to Target, and hopefully by the time I'm done, Eli will be able to get off of work early so he can help me load the car and then unpack them into the storage unit, because again, they're a bit heavy for me to do it on my own. Like, I would put everything in the unit myself, but the way the unit is set up, it's like I literally have to use a stair ladder and like throw everything on top. So it's like it's a lot for me, and also my balance isn't all that great either, so I'm not trying to fall. So he said that he's going to help me if he's able to get off early, as well as Jake, because he's done too, but Jake has a vet appointment with PETA, so we're gonna head to Target. So yeah, let's get on to it. It's literally been raining all day today. Like, it's so gloomy, and apparently it's going to be like this for a couple of days. Luckily, we're going to be driving to Savannah tomorrow, and it's going to be sunny there, so we're going to be driving to the sun. Pretty excited. But yeah, this weather is really making things so gloomy and sad. Maybe I should get like 2.